Hey folks, it's Terry and Stephanie West with 270 Smokers. Today we're introducing the Fixer. We've made a steak. We've intentionally left a portion of the grill mark off of the steak. We're going to show you how we would fix this if this was a competition cook. We're going to light the Fixer with a little nap gas. You could also put it in your charcoal, but we just generally have nap gas with us when we're traveling, so that's what we use. And then you lay that hot edge right there and just do a nice roll and hold. And there we go. Perfect grill marks. So there you go. Now it's perfect steak. And by the way, this little tool has been used in grilling the perfect steak in the SCA. In fact, 2 of them for Terry. So here's the little tool. This is made out of stainless steel, exclusively by 270 Smokers. You can get it at our website, 270smokers.com. You'll notice here just a stay cool handle, and it finds its perfect center and balance when you need to set it down.